Welcome back to Thomas the Gaming Adventures. Please like and subscribe. Today we're gonna get the Blizzard, not today. Anyway, we're gonna get the Blizzard and well, see what it does.
Yeah, so here we are in Wizard Tycoon 2, probably. Oh, am I on the yellows this time? Yes!
Anyways.
Yeah, so, oh yeah, you're getting that. Blizzard 345.
Time to see a giant bomber.
What does it say?
Cast flying snowballs.
At your targets with a chance of freezing them. Special ability, Glacial Blast. A blizzard will form and instantly breezes any enemies in contact the card issue for authentication.
Okay, that's
the explosion whilst dealing with damage.
Yeah.
Okay. You got it yet?
No, it's just sometimes it takes forever.
Your purchase was successful. Can you please, before you run off and do other stuff, just stand on
look.
This little circle? This one. What the dickens was that?
I think that was me.
Oh, my sound's on. Is your sound on? We need your sound on.
Yeah.
Yeah, there we go.
That does some good damage.
Hey,
wait, just stay still.
Try it on me. Ow.
Are you frozen?
Yes.
It did say it had a chance of freezing your enemies. Anyways,
try and freeze me mid-air. 3. No, do a countdown. As in 3, 2, 1.
It only has a chance of doing it.
Let's try it out on some
people.
Unscrupulous victims.
La 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 la.
There are crazy people out here anymore.
Crazy.
Oh, I'll just stand here like
Toca Life. Look, it's frozen. Oh, should I now do? I'm gonna do
Thomas, you froze me!
That was insane, wasn't it? Well, was it?
Yeah. Ow!
Sorry. I had to do it. Okay, now then, let's meet me at the Blues.
Ah, wrong door.
I'm going to...
A really large person.
I literally
Where's the large person gone?
Was the large person?
There was a really large person. Someone's trying to get in our castle. Round here.
He's nearly dead anyway, because I kept on killing him. I didn't even have to use my special.
Try it on me.
What? The really good super damage thing. Okay,
yeah.
Stand still. You see, that does a lot of damage.
You're gonna stare at me.
I'm going to say that is cuckoo maddy mad face. Mad. Yeah. That is a bit cuckoo maddy mad face, isn't it?
Yes.
You want to test it out one more time? Please stand still. Stand still.
These people with wee by protect. Quickly!
Damn it! He's got the light wizard. Like I've got the darky wizard.
What's happened to this lady? She's sort of stuck in hyperspace.
Yeah, I am dead.
Well,
I went through the wrong door.
You need to. The duel's on now against this person with that guy. You can run really fast. It's behind you. The large person's back.
Yeah, I'm just gonna run up to him and then just kill his ass.
Who? What? That guy? He's there. He's behind you again.
No, that's not me.
You got him.
That wasn't the large person anyways.
Oh, who was that anyway?
The large person's over there.
The sacrificial lamb. Oh, he's nasty.
The sacrificial lamb.
Yeah.
Just smashed me around like I'm a big lunatic.
The lady's back. Oh, what happened then?
That guy has the light wizard. That's the light sword.
Oh, he just killed me. The big buzzhead.
Big buzzhead. That's funny.
Everybody's gone. Oh, he's over there causing havoc.
The big
Yeah, is there any
buzzhead.
actual structure to this video? Or
We're
just doing some crazy antics?
Okay, meet me back in the castle and then we can see actually how good this actually... Should we try and see if that... Oh, I thought that was the one. Oh, anyways, stand still.
Ow, ow. You frozen me as a pot.
That does 80 damage.
Yeah.
Yeah, the special does 80 damage.
I'm not so keen on that. Go in a bed, sister. Go in a bed.
This video is just gonna be what the hell, isn't it?
It's just crazy.
It's just a man map.
Can you?
Sorry, Dad. Sorry. Wait, you're gonna need to get the walls, because look, all of our
I ain't got
money.
any money. I think you buy the walls, don't you?
No, I mean by the conveyor walls.
Ew.
Look, look, Dad. Look on my screen. Everything's going out of the area.
Oh, that's not good, is it? I ain't got enough money.
It's only $10.
$10. What?
How do you not have enough?
I can't get back. Ah.
You've only got $7.
Yeah, I'm poor.
But not in real life, but well, to be fair, we did just...
Why? I'm always buying new Robux. Nah, it's your pocket money, really, isn't it?
Not.
Walls.
It's not my pocket money. Yay. Now they're not going to fall out. Brilliant, 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 brilliant.
Good news.
Brilliant.
Oh, don't say silly words.
Whoops.
Right.
I wasn't meant to say that.
What's
my
next in this unstructured video? Oh, yeah.
Or if you want to make this video more, should we make this video
More extended in a fun packed way or just in a tedious long video way? Get in the what? Inferno?
So, that's the same amount of money as the Blizzard.
Yeah, let's get it.
So, now we've decided to make this a 2 weapon long video.
Yeah, 2 things in 1 video.
To be fair, in the last video we did get 3 things.
Yeah.
But I don't...
Where have you gone? Oh, you're over there.
Oh, it's wanting the efficacy.
Oh.
It's loading. Thank you for saying it your old thing. It's
right.
Loading.
I'm going to run away from your... Oh, is it still loading?
Okay, now I've got Inferno. Just let it load. Yay!
What does that do?
I don't know, stand still.
No. I'm running away.
No, it's
You
just
have to get me.
test it.
I ain't testing it out on me. I'm going.
It's just for a test. What? Wait, what did that just do? Dad, just stand still.
I stand not a chance.
Just stand still. Dad, I'm literally gonna do it. Dad, I actually want you to stop. Yes, you will.
Yeah, that didn't work out.
That guy's annoying, isn't he?
Ow! Yeah, he is a bit.
He's a bit of a cheeky monkey.
Right, you're gonna have to get that kudos guy because he just like chopped my head off.
Same.
He's over there. He's over there.
He's the weird, mad, cuckoo, crazy, mad man that that likes to.
Use the Inferno.
That's what I'm about to do. But he keeps.
He's a fast runner.
No, it's because of his sword. It's because of his sword, okay?
Oh!
That guy! Dude! He doesn't give you enough time to react.
No, he doesn't.
Does he? To be fair, it was sort of us on that video, wasn't it?
Oh, it's fast.
Yeah, it's because of his sword. He can.
Yeah.
Wait.
Right, go on.
I'm
waiting. I want to see what this Inferno's like.
Okay, where are you? And just stand.
I'm here.
And just stand still for once, okay? For once.
I'm gonna stand near this other guy so you can get him as well.
Oh, Dad.
Yes, come for me.
Are you?
Quickly!
Dude!
Oh, you're not very good at that, are you?
It's because he knows to dash and I don't. It's because of his dash.
Well, hurry up. She's probably hurry up!
What?
My head's upside down on the floor because you're faffing.
I'm not a faffing with
Not buffoon, I said you're faffing.
I didn't say buffoon.
I don't know where it's gone. It's over there. It's nearly dead. How can you not finish him?
Did he die?
Neil?
He did die. That guy is so annoying. Let's just leave him be.
Okay. Test it out on me then.
Okay,
that lady was going to kill me, but
I'm gonna wait for you to get in the castle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My daddy takes forever sometimes.
I can't remember if this is my door. Yes, it is. Right.
Okay, just first, I'm just gonna kill you with the sword, so then you have my
that's great. Thanks.
Okay.
Yeah, nice.
Oh, never mind. We've already done this, so. That was just to kill him, so he would have full. So he would have full HP to get bent to a crisp with an explosion. Pretty much.
Is that the right one?
Yeah. I'm waiting. Look.
I'm ready.
Oh, I like it. It's like your force field. That makes you invincible, remember?
Uh-huh.
Wait.
I am invincible! I don't know who that person is. If I've not met you, then sorry. Don't know who that is.
Yeah, me either. It takes a while, doesn't it?
I don't know.
Because you're still in it.
Oh yeah, it's so big bullies like you can't kill me. Ha! See you later.
I'm not a big bully.
You are. You like stand there so I can kill you. How is
Dad,
that not being a big bully?
Come back. It's ready.
Oh,
you're not
brilliant.
in a bubble now.
Do 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 do.
First we're gonna get
Yeah, that works. Big bully's outside. He's outside. Go get him. Go get him.
Who?
The guy, Kudos guy, who keeps killing you.
And me.
Yeah, that showed him, Thomas. What's that all about?
That guy's annoying.
Yeah.
He needs to get or something, doesn't he?
Don't kill a random girl.
I wasn't going to kill the random girl, big dumb.
Alright, Thomas.
That guy's annoying.
I was stood by your head.
He's annoying, isn't he? He's just like utter chaos man. With a weird, cheeky, weird... I bet he's one of those boys that play football, like popping the ping pong ball. Or something.
Anyway,
or maybe just a normal boy.
Yeah, should we wrap this up? Because should we wrap this up, dude?
Okay, la 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 la.
Is this our castle? Are we green?
Yes.
Excellent.
Waiting for my daddy can take forever sometimes. Oh yeah, you finally hit.
Hello.
No, look at it.
Yeah, so I'll stand next to you for the outro. Oh no, what? 'Cause I'm on the conveyor belt. What is it? E/dance.
/E dance.
/E dance.
Let me do the laugh.
Oh, I didn't do the slash. E dance. Oh yeah. So we're dancing to I
think I.
Yeah, it's been a bit of a funny one, this video, because It's a bit unscripted. I've been working away all week, so I haven't seen Thomas. And I'm back now, so we're having a bit of a party, bit of a game.
I'm trying to make this work.
What are you typing?
Oh, I can't.
You can't use emotes here. All right.
I'm gonna try that again.
Dance.
I think it's because it does say that when you spell it. Is that how you spell it? No, isn't it? No, that's not.
Laugh. Yeah. Oh wow. So you can use little commands in Wizard Tycoon 2.
Oh, it only happened once.
This has been Thomas's Gaming Adventures. I'm Dad, and that is Thomas.
So yeah, please like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye. New videos every Saturday, 8 AM UK time.